In this video, what I will be sharing to you is all encapsulated in one word, and that word is boxing. Right now, what I mean by boxing is you being able to control money. When money is in your hand, what money is meant for is for you to achieve goals. If you have cash at hand, it should not make you, pleased. And what I mean by that is that it should not give you that fulfilling joy totally. And what that really shows is that money should not, be something you hoard. Money should be something that should be in motion to work for you. Money is meant to work for you. And for money to work for you, you have to be intentional about it. Now, to be able to make money to work for you, you must be able to put a limit to how you spend money. Now, limiting how you spend money is not about having a desire of, oh, I don't really want to spend a lot. Because if that is the desire you have, oh, I don't really just want to spend a lot, that may even push you behind in doing some things that you're supposed to spend with money. So to be able to make money work for you, there must be a direction, which means that the money you have has to be directional. There is somewhere that your money is leading to, which means that there is something that you want to achieve with money. Now, when I say something you have to achieve with money, it's not something that you assume. These are called financial goals. Financial goals are not assumed. Financial goals are stated. They are statements, right? Be it investment, be it meeting family needs, be it in accomplishing some projects. It has to be stated. Now, these financial goals are now the directions at which your money flows to. Now, what you are doing right there when you have financial goals is that you are being able to build, it's just like building fence around something, right? Now, when you build a fence around something, you are boxing it. Now, you are not limiting the capacity of that thing, right? That is not what it means, but you are, bringing this thing into a condition where it only achieves things within that terrain. So that is what happens when you are able to have financial goals. It helps you to be able to handle money as you want to handle it. If you're following better, you see that money is to work for you. That is how it works. In the aspect of being able to achieve and do what you're expected to do with money, you need financial goals. And this is the importance of financial goals. And that is why it is very important that you are able to bring your money into a condition of working for you. Money really has to work for you. That cash in your hand has to really work for you. And financial goals make it happen. It means to be able to control that thing called money in working for you and not against you. Do not forget where we started from the word boxing, right, which means to control money. So with financial goals, you see that you are able to control money, which means that money is working for you. I'm Shorkan Daniel, and I'm elated to share this with you. The journey to financial advancement is an intentional journey, and I believe you make do with this literate understanding that you have now about why you really need financial goals. Be intentional about it, make it statements, and run with it. Watch more of these videos and keep advancing.